Hey, good afternoon everyone and welcome back to the 6th NTFS file permission. In this file permission, let's make Brian Malik a non-admin user. He was not a non-admin user in a help desk member to not have access to the IT folder. Like if I can say the Brian Malik is not admin user but only a member of help desk. In the 5th demo we did, he was only a member of help desk, right? But he was not admin. But we need to remove him access to the IT folder because IT folder is only for those who are member of help desk and as well as admin user. So since Brian Malik is only a member of help desk group but not admin, unfortunately we need to remove him access to the IT folder. To do this, simply go to the File Explorer, this PC, local disk C, and Malik.com. Right click on this, right click on IT, Properties, and in the Properties go to Security, and in the Security I'll click on Advanced. If you see, there is no user here because we didn't add it, right? We just in a fourth demo, in a fourth NTFS permission, we added him to the IT and we remove him basically from the IT folder, and then we in a fifth NTFS permission we just simply added him to the help desk security group and he was able to access to the IT folder. But in a sixth and last NTFS permission right now, that's why we don't see the Brian Malik in a IT folder. So we need to add him and we will give him deny to all rules. So I'll type Brian here and check name, click OK. I'll give him full control and then I'll make this type to deny and then I'll click OK. Once I click on this, if this is enable inheritance and if you check on a client machine and the Brian Malik is still having access to the IT folder, right? That means you need to make this disable. As long as it's working with enable inheritance, let's say the Brian Malik log into the IT folder and he is not able to access to the IT folder, right? And this is enable inheritance. That is good, which I will do it with effective access. So let me apply, yes, okay, and then let me now one more time effective access. Now if I check the effective access for the Brian, it will give me the cross sign for the IT folder, you see. So now the Brian Malik, he is a member of help desk but not admin, and he will no longer have access to the IT folder. And if you go to the HR, properties, security, it will give me a green check mark because that is his own folder. If you see, the Brian Malik is able to have access to the HR but not have IT. And let me go to the user, me go and check. I want to just show that Brian Malik is not admin user. He is only a member of help desk. This is what I want. Like the manager came to me and he said, he tells me, hey, the Brian Malik, he was a member of help desk, but he got access to two folder, HR and IT. But I warned him, since he is not admin and he He is only a member of help desk. I don't want Brian Malik to have access to the IT folder because IT folder is only accessible by admin user and all along with help desk members. But I just want Brian Malik to be a help desk member but not admin. And since he is not admin, I don't want him to have access to the IT folder. So we did this. Let me log in on a client machine. And if you come back one more time to the help desk, security group, right click properties, members. There is only Brian Malik and John Malik in this help desk security group, but Brian Malik is not admin. So if I am logging into the client machine right now as a Brian Malik, he will not have he will no longer see Brian Malik will no longer see the IT folder. And I show the effective access for Brian Malik. Brian Malik got check mark for HR, but for the IT folder he got cross sign. That means it becomes denied. The IT folder become denied for the Brian Malik. And as I said, I made the inheritance enable. If it is working, that is good. If you come back to the IT, let's say to the client machine, and if you see the IT folder is still there, you need to make the inheritance disable and check it back again. Security hacker. And if you click on Malik.com, he is only have access. Brian Malik is only have access to the HR his own folder, but not the IT folder. So let me go back one more time to show the effective access and then I'll wrap up this demo. So user, no, not user, File Explorer. For HR, let me check Brian Malik. Effective access security, clones, effective access, select user, Brian, check name, Brian Malik, effective access. He is able to have access to the HR folder which I just showed to you on a client machine. But if you come to the IT, as you have seen that we made all rules and everything deny for Brian Malik. We added simply Brian Malik and we gave him a full control and we make him type from allowed to deny. And if you come to advanced and advanced effective access and effective access, let me select the user Brian here, check name, click OK, and effective access will be all cross sign, which is here. That's why when I log in as a Brian Malik, he was only able to see the HR folder but not IT. Why it is useful? It helps verify, the effective access. Why it is useful? It helps verify the user like Brian Malik cannot access to the folder, like for example IT, after applying deny rules. It identify conflicting permission or unintended access. The deny rule I applied successfully override any inherited or explicit permission from the parent folder Malik.com. Even though Brian Malik is a member of the parent folder group Malik.com, the deny permission ensure he cannot access to the IT folder, which I just show it to you. That I log in as a Brian Malik and he was only have access to HR but not IT. He didn't even see the IT folder. I make him deny permission for Brian Malik for the IT folder. The effective access calculation validates your steps by showing no permission for Brian Malik. This ensures that the folder is restricted as intended while keeping him a member of the help desk group for other resources. So in this demo, we just remove him, Brian Malik, from the IT folder. We deny everything. We deny him from the IT folder and we added to the IT folder and we denied him from the IT folder. So that's why when I log in as a Brian Malik, he was not able to have access to the IT folder, and he was only seeing the HR folder. And I also showed you both Brian Malik was effective access for both. Brian Malik was Brian Malik got green check mark for HR, and Brian Malik didn't get green check mark, which was only cross sign for IT folder. And he's only, remember, he's only a member of help desk group, but he's not basically the admin user. He's just a member of help desk group, which let me show that he's only a member of help desk group. So this is wrap up all 6 types of NTFS permission with much detail, and I hope you learn and enjoy it. Thank you so much for being with me until end, and I'll see you in the next demo. Thank you so much and have a great day.